Alright you guys, for today's video we're going to be changing out the oil on this Infiniti QX56. It's a 2005. The same process applies to those Armadas and Titans because they run the same motor. What you're going to be doing is just taking off the oil cap, which I already did right there from right here. I wiped it down already with the rag right there. Coming down here, have to take off this skid plate, which is where the oil filter is hiding. Takes the 10s, one right here, another one over there, and then the two right here, right there, and over there. Got the skid plate off, and then from under here, that will be your oil filter that you need to change out. This one right here has this little guide right here as well for your oil to drip into once you change that out. For this oil change, we will be using the Pennzoil full synthetic 5W30, and then for the filter we'll be using the OEM part number 15208-9001 alpha. Takes about 7 quarts, so 5 and 2 more. The next step we're going to do is go ahead and go inside the SUV and reset the maintenance light. Here we go over here. As you can see, it has that common odometer failure. Go to over here, hit agree. Go to light trip. Engine oil. Maintenance schedule every 5,000. Hit reset. And then you should be good. Turn the car on. And then the maintenance light should be gone. Yep. Good to go.